That's it. What's up, guys? Right now we're in Palermo, the biggest city in Sicily. The architecture looks really nice. I'm going to show you guys a couple stuff. Let's check this out. Over here we have Theater Massimo, the biggest theater in Italy, the third biggest in the world. The mountains of Palermo in the background. And check out this store over here. Dragon Ball Z, Pokemon, One Piece. On this side of the street we have a market selling all kinds of clothes. Palermo's really loud and chaotic. You got a bunch of beautiful architecture like this one. Let's try to go inside. Check out this water fountain. Now we are at one of the busiest centers in Palermo. The architecture is really nice. Check this out. It's still very busy, so you gotta watch your back. People playing music. And once again, the mountains over there, the mountains over here. There are 3 churches in this area. The first one's over here. The second one, a theater, and the third church. First meal of the day, got some grilled squid and prawns. Outdoor little restaurant here. Nice music. Bon appetit. Nice statue with the mountains in the background. And look at the top of the statue's head. A seagull. The bell is chiming. A scale of how this cathedral looks like, and inside the real thing. Watermelon, pomegranate juice, and octopus. Lunchtime. Check this out, guys. The mountains of Palermo. This is how most of Palermo looks like. You can have some cool churches, some nice buildings like so, the sparrows chirping all over. Good energy. Nice streets. Check out this massive tree. The branches look crazy, but even here, it's like a tunnel of vines. Right over here we have koi pond. Check out how many fish there are over here. That's crazy. Just a casual park here in Palermo. This might not be the best angle, but check this out. Look at those columns over here. Check out that mountain. Plenty of grass, a field for people to play, palm trees, and on the other side, another mountain. Check out this 360 view. The mountains of Palermo, the clouds touching the top of the mountain, the beautiful ocean, and more mountains. Sunset's coming soon. You can't beat it. Panaro. This place got some really delicious food. Seafood, pistachio pasta. 10 out of 10. Check out the views at nighttime. Palermo Cathedral over here. The crown jewel of Palermo. This building looks even better at night. Look at these arches. Look at the statues. Check that out. The door. Oh, that looks sick. Earlier today, this place was packed. Now at night, it looks even better. But there's nobody here. There's the front. Probably tomorrow I'll go to the top, to the roof. Tomorrow I'll try to go over here. One last look. I gotta get it from all the angles because this place is too good. The clock tower angle. Just look at the detail of this place. If you come to Palermo, you're gonna get views like this every night. Look at that statue. And they actually used the town square. Check out all the lights. Doesn't it look magical? Check out this other opera house. Just randomly walking around at nighttime and stumbling upon gems like this. And just look how cool this is, the square. Plenty of lights, plenty of buildings, plenty of obnoxious cars making noise. But look how big this area is. The church over there. Palermo never ceases to amaze me. Back where it all started, in front of the opera house in Palermo. Just look at that marvelous structure. Now as we move this way, check out the whole scenery. You have beautiful trees, flowers. Check out all the lights. Stores open. And this is again on a weekday. Alright guys, gonna miss you Sicily. Gonna miss you Palermo. And for everyone else, catch you guys next time in Naples. Peace.